You can assign the microphone of the computer used to operate this service, for audio commentary use. Select Mic Settings. Select the channel to use in the mic input select list. And select the microphone to assign in the mic device list. Press the Apply button. The mic settings dialog settings are stored for each user. This does not affect other users using the same event. You can select whether to monitor the audio from your microphone using this button. To release a microphone assignment, select Not Assigned in the mic input select list and press the Apply button. You can adjust delay here. For input content with different input audio on two stereo channels, you can adjust the audio of the two channels separately. Use this when you want to input ambient audio on one channel and input microphone audio on the other channel. You can then adjust the audio of both channels separately. Click here, and select Input Settings. Select 2-channel mono in the pull-down list. Press the Apply button. This is how it looks like with the 2-channel mono setting. You can adjust separate volumes for each channel. You can monitor the audio for only the corresponding channel, while the PFL button is pressed.